Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace front turn signal light bulbs in 2020 Toyota RAV4. The bulb is located right here. You can see it's orange. And to access the bulb, you have to put your hand inside and turn it counterclockwise. Carefully pull it out, and here is our bulb. You have to wear gloves when you work with light bulbs, because if you don't, you can get grease and oil on the glass. Carefully pull it out. I will try to show you the size. I believe it says 7444 NA. And here we have the replacement bulbs. Yes, everything is right. The size is 7444 NA. Insert the new bulb into the base. The polarity doesn't matter in this case. You can insert it either way. And carefully insert the base and turn it clockwise. This side is done. The left side is almost exactly the same. Same idea. Turn it counterclockwise. Pull out the light bulb and carefully take it out. Insert the new bulb and carefully put it back in and turn clockwise. The replacement is complete.